Hello everybody, this is Ramesh Pani. In this video, we can talk about multiplying polynomials. If all of the polynomials are monomials, use associative and commutative properties. If any of the polynomials are not monomials, use the distributive property before the associative and commutative properties. Then combine like terms. Multiply each term of the first polynomial by each term of the second polynomial and then combine like terms. Let us see some example. Multiply 3x square times negative 2x. Here 3x square and negative 2x are monomials. So their product will be 3 times negative 2 times x square times x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6, x square times x, x cubed. Here the exponent is 2. Here the exponent is 1. Have the common base, so the exponent will be added, which gives x cubed. So the product of two monomials gives negative 6x cubed. Let us see another example. 4x times 4x cubed plus 8. Here 4x is a monomial, 4x cubed plus 8 is a binomial. Now multiply this monomial with each term of the binomial. 4x multiply with 4x cubed, 4x multiply with 8. Look at here, 4x multiply with 4x cubed plus 4x multiply with 8. 4 times 4, 16, x times x cubed, x to the power 4. 4 times 8 is 32x. So product of monomial and binomial gives 16x to the power 4 plus 32x. Let us see another example. Minus 5x square times 2x square plus 7x minus 2. Here minus 5x square is a monomial, 2x square plus 7x minus 2 is a trinomial because 3 terms. So multiply this monomial with each term of the trinomial. Minus 5x square multiply with 2x square, minus 5x square multiply with 7x, minus 5x square multiply with negative 2. After multiplying with each term of the monomial, we will get negative 10x to the power 4 minus 35x cubed minus 10x square Let us see some other example. y plus 5 times y plus 7. Here y plus 5 is a binomial, y plus 7 is a binomial. So we have to multiply one binomial with another binomial. Y and 5 are two terms of the first binomial, and y and 7 are the two terms of the second binomial. Whenever we multiply two binomial, multiply each term with each term of the second binomial. Look at here, y times y plus 7 and 5 multiply with y plus 7. Here y times y plus y times 7 plus 5 times y plus 5 times 7. Y times y, y square. Y times 7, 7y. 5 times y, 5y. 5 times 7, 35. 7y and 5y are like terms, so we can add them. After adding them, we get 12y. So the product of two binomial gives y square plus 12y plus 35. Let us see another example. 2x minus 4 times 7x plus 5. In this binomial, the terms are 2x and negative 4, and in this binomial, the terms are 7x and 5. So, to multiply these two binomial, let us start with this first term, multiply with this binomial, and negative 4 multiply with this binomial. 2x times 7x plus 5 minus 4 times 7x plus 5. 2x with 7x, when they multiply, we will get 14x square. 2x multiply with 5, we will get 10x. 4 multiply with 7x, we will get 28, negative 28x. Negative 4 multiply with 5, we will get negative 20. 10x and 28x are like terms, so we can subtract them. We'll get negative 18x. 14x square minus 18x minus 20 is the result of the product of two binomial, 2x minus 4 times 7x plus 5. Multiply 2x square plus x minus 1 with x square plus 3x plus 4. Here 2x square plus x minus 1 is a trinomial. X square plus 3x plus 4 is also another trinomial. Whenever we multiply trinomial with another trinomial, or binomial with another trinomial, or binomial with binomial, so remember, multiply each term of the first expression of the polynomial with the polynomial of the second. That means 2x square multiply with x square plus 3x plus 4 plus the second term is x multiply with x square 3x plus 4. The third term is minus 1 multiply with x square plus 3x plus 4. After multiplying this, then again we have to multiply this monomial with this trinomial. 2x square times x square become 2x4. 2x square times 3x becomes 6x cubed. 2x square times 4 becomes 8x square. X times x square becomes x cubed. X times 3x becomes 3x square. X times 4 becomes 4x. So minus 1 times x square minus x square. Minus 1 times 3x minus 3x. Minus 1 times 4 minus 4. Now we have to look about what are the like terms. The like terms are here only 2x to the 4. There are no like terms, so only you have to write once 2x to the 4. Now look at here, 6x cube, here also x cube. So these two are like terms, so we can add them. 6 plus 1, 7x cube. Now here 8x square, 3x square and negative x square, they are like terms. So 8x square plus 3x square, 11x square minus x square, which gives 10x square. Here 4x and negative 3x, they are like terms. So 4x minus 3x is x, positive x, and there is a constant negative 4. You have to write it. So the final result of the product of these two trinomial, 2x to the 4 plus 7x cube plus 10x square plus x minus 4. Let us see another example. Multiply 2y square plus 5 with y square plus 3y plus 4. First you write down the trinomial y square plus 3y plus 4. Then you write down the binomial 2y square plus 5. Just you multiply the number, you have to multiply the same. This polynomial expression, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 3y is 15y, 5 times y square is 5y square. Then 2y square times 4 is 8y square, 2y square plus 3y, 6y cube, 2y square times y square is 2y to the 4. Then you add them, 20, 15y, 5y square plus 8y square, 13y square, 6y cube plus 2y4. Thank you.